everybody, it's Summer with Done Naturally, and here we are today talking about SIDS and rolling over. A lot of families get really freaked out when their baby starts to roll over from their back to their tummy. Now, parents get educated by all birth workers, physicians, people in the pediatric world about SIDS and back to sleep. So it's natural for them to start getting worried if their baby is sleeping on their stomach. What I want to tell you is, if your baby is developmentally well enough to have the capability to roll from their back to their tummy, we are no longer worried about SIDS and tummy sleeping. They now have the ability to do it. You don't need to go into the crib and roll them back over. They now have the physical ability to roll. That would be a nightmare. And maybe some of you are doing this and now I'm going to relieve you of it. You're going in, rolling them back over. They wake up, try to put them back to sleep. They finally go to bed and then they roll over again and you have to go in and put them back to their sleep. Just let them be. If they can do it on their own, there is no longer a concern about sleeping on your stomach and SIDS. So when does that developmental milestone happen for babies? It typically happens around that kind of 5-6 month mark where they're doing that rolling. It could be a little bit sooner. And that's a great brain development piece when they can make those moves. So that means your baby's growing and doing well and healthy. So put your mind at ease. If your baby has the ability to roll from their back to their tummy, do not worry about it at nighttime. It is no longer a concern, and your baby can continue to be healthy and sleep on their tummy. That's it for today. If you like my video, give me a thumbs up and definitely subscribe because I have a lot of other videos out there about breastfeeding, pumping, and raising babies. Have a good day, you guys. Bye.